It doesn't feel honestly like 25 years, does it?
Seems like yesterday.
Seems like yesterday. क्यों जी?
True.
I don't know if did we aim to be here? I don't think we aimed to be here. We didn't have a name. I think we gave it all that we had.
It all started in that college canteen,
Yes.
and the recruitment was happening. TCS, Infosys, all these companies, they were taking interviews of BTECs, and we were wondering that what we have to do.
Yeah.
So
Nobody came to recruit architects in
Yeah.
those years.
then we created our own thing.
We created our own thing, and I don't think we set out to do anything spectacular. We primarily had the confidence that we could do whatever we wanted, and that is how it has been.
I think the most critical thing was that we loved what we were doing,
Yeah.
and this architecture became our first love. And the
Only love.
second love was the friends.
And our company became our first love.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
Yes.
think we really believed that by sticking together, by creating an institution, we will be able to make a difference.
Yeah.
And I think if we look back, we can clearly see 3 innings. The first innings was finding our feet. I remember about 3 or 4 years into our practice, one client came and said, "Oh, you guys are established architects." And we were jokingly talking to each other, "Acha, this is how people talk about us now." So we were able to deliver in the beginning 30 homes at a time, and then we created a very robust internal system based on mapping the life cycle of a project, creating an incentive mechanism, putting bold boards on our sites.
Taking the
So-
pride of all the sites, what we
Yes.
are doing. We wanted to showcase to the public that we are there. We are responsible for this.
Yeah, and we were able to therefore deliver 100 homes at a time. It was like a well-oiled engine that delivered architectural solutions, as well as we had a whole ecosystem backing up of contractors, of supervisors, of all the municipal hassles that people who have to build homes have to go through. And then I think after 10 years, our second innings started when the real estate boom happened in our country. And like our clients who wanted to transform the country, this was a euphoric phase for India. Everybody was talking about the India story. We had a new prime minister who had ushered in the modern sort of changes in opening up the economy. And in that euphoria, everybody was thinking big, you know. And real estate prices were going up, new shopping centers, new residential condominiums were coming up. It was a very spirited period of growth for the nation, and we plugged our company and our growth story into it. We learned how to computerize the organization. We brought in a business development unit, and we upscaled our understanding of technology, of collaborating with consultants. We also
And we
traveled abroad and brought in international consultants.
We were very aggressive to pitch in. I
Yes.
mean, kind of energy which was there.
Yeah.
We get to know that there is any opportunity. 3 of us, we used to jump there and
We were hunters.
hunters, capture it, and our turnaround time was very quick, very sharp.
Yes.
Like 48 hours, 72 hours.
So
And-
we had a separate team that only did design,
Yeah.
because we felt that architects who do design are made of a different DNA, and architects who actually are able to deliver technically resolved buildings come from a slightly different DNA. You cannot expect one to do both, and if he can do both, he starts his own practice.
Yeah.
So in a firm, you need those two types of teams. And then I think winning competitions, that is what really helped our story. And to win competitions, you have to refine. You have to distinguish yourself, and that is when I think our third innings started. Uh,
Yeah, I think the kick, if you may call it that, came from being able to do works which are meaningful in the overall national landscape, not just
Yes.
big homes for big people or big shopping centers for moneyed people. I think being able to contribute to the landscape under overall umbrella, overarching mission, if you may call it, of doing the nation building is probably the most significant shift into our career trajectories so far, and continues to drive us into being able to do meaningful architecture. We are spreading our wings into all kinds of realms of work. We are
And
into
geographically,
transport,
from
geographically.
North India to East India, South India, and beyond India also.
And we have been very fortunate that our teams have stuck with us.
Yes.
So we have a very strong team, heads like Mr. Joshi, like Mr. Ashish, like Anuj Prabhakar, and Chanchal, and Yogesh, and many others who have stood by us. And then we have a very robust administrative and finance team with Mr. Devraj being there right from the beginning. So I think as a company and as a culture, we are fair to our people. Even if I may say, women
We are a
find our
people
office.
first organization.
Yes,
Yes.
an organization which is very women friendly, and all that has helped, because eventually you need good talent, and our buildings take 5 years to deliver. So you need your team to also take ownership for the building right through the whole tenure. And I would also say that right through we have believed in upscaling the quality of built environment. We have this uh, irreverent notion that we can make the impossible possible, and that has really helped us to combat the pushback that you get. And we're doing so much government work, we're doing infrastructure work, we've added many verticals. So whether it is aviation, we're doing airports, we're doing railway stations, we are doing roads, we are doing walkways, we are doing
Hospitals.
hospitals, we are doing court buildings, we are doing master planning projects, we're doing residential townships,
We've added
affordable housing,
Hotels also now.
hotels, luxury housing. Each of them has enriched us and taught us how to cost our projects better, how to engineer our projects better. Then we've also been fortunate to get some landmark marquee projects, like this one in the background. It's not a project that you plan to get. It's pretty much like a divine gift, or you can say it's the fruit of years of work that you get recognized as being capable to handle projects. So this innings for us has really been about nation building, if we were to put it into one word. And it's our tribute as an architectural firm. We would like to upscale the median of public architecture and create an urban identity for the cities, so that people can have more pride in their own architecture, in their own cities. And people, I think, once people are inspired by their built environment, it's the same very people who would go on to found Google and go on to found many more things that change civilizations. So I think this is our instrument to be able to be part of that larger journey of change and transformation.
And if I may add, this is there to the next 25 years,
Yes.
and maybe meet again in similar surroundings and better surroundings with beautiful people around us at 50 years. Yeah. Inshallah. Thank you.